All right, drivers, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, good response there from all 4 robots. Blue Alliance, one's grabbing the foundation, bringing it over to the build site. Other one slides up over under the bridge. Meanwhile, we do have a Skystone grabbed here by the Browncoats here for the Red Alliance, brought over with their foundation already in the build site corner. They do miss the second one, and they're back under the bridge. Okay, good start there for the Red Alliance. Drivers, get ready.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, we got 3 of 4 robots responding. One of the Blue Alliance is having a little technical difficulties getting started. Meanwhile, 10-641, it's ready to stack. But the Red Alliance has already got 2 stories on their pile there. They've stacked on that previous Skystone. They're ready to go. They're starting off clean and efficient, already moving on to their 3rd story here for the Red Alliance. Oh, the Blue Alliance. Honorous is having problems getting their robot started. Meanwhile, their teammates, Atomic, they're ready to go. They've gotten 2. There they are, the other Blue Alliance. They're waking up. We now are 2 on 2. Meanwhile, we've got 3 stories there for the Blue Alliance, moving up to 5 here for the Red Alliance. And they are moving quite well. Got a little close there to the wall, but they're able to handle it. Get back. Oh, they drove back under the bridge. They're up to 6 levels here. Meanwhile, we had a little bit of a crash there for the Blue Alliance. Their tower went down to 2. We're down to 55 seconds left in the match, and the Red Alliance is still building higher and higher. We're running out of stones there on the other side. Oh, the Blue Alliance, it looks like we're still having technical difficulties there with Honorous. Oh, he's waddling around, got a good little dance. Let's see if he can make something happen here in the end game. Oh, wow, that tower's really leaning there. There's 8 high, feeling good here for the Red Alliance. Let's see if they can finish off. They've got the capstone swallowed up. They're gonna go for it. 18 seconds remaining. Oh, right, they're looking good. Now let's see if they can slide that foundation out of the way. Looks like they're still building with blue. We've only got 10 seconds, 9 seconds left. Oh, so steady and easy there. Yes, they're able to move. They have their capstone here for the Blue Alliance. We're running out of time. Oh, the capstone fell off. All right, we'll have those scores here in just a moment. And it was a Red Alliance win, 93-51.